In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to become a true captain in Arcane Odyssey. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about a very easy method to acquire true captain. So first, I'm gonna go over the requirements for you to get true captain in Arcane Odyssey. So as you can see on screen, for you to actually get true captain, all that you have to do is survive 40 minutes, aka 2 days, in the Insanity 1 layer or above in the Dark Sea, and you have to return without losing any crewmates. So this is the only thing that you have to do. You will be able to go over to the Dark Sea, and after you spend 40 minutes there, you go back, and as long as none of your crew members were killed, you will be able to get the title. This includes a badge, and it has a light yellow name color. Now, a lot of people have difficulty getting this. You will see people complaining about the lightning strikes, for example, that will be going off randomly around you by the time that you go back and directly hit your crewmates. So, something that a lot of people do to get this title is to dock your ship at an island. So basically, all that you have to do is go over to the Dark Sea, make sure that you spend 40 minutes there, and go to some random island. In there, just stay fishing for 40 minutes before sailing back. You don't have to stay at your ship the entire time. So as long as you are able to find a safe location away from your ship and away from the lightning strikes, you will be able to just chill in the island and eventually get the title. There are audio cues for when lightning is about to strike, a visual and audio cue where the 3 strikes will happen, but for the most part, the best method that is going to give you the title is going to be by going off to an island and just chilling there and then returning back to sea. Because the title doesn't require you to be at your ship at all times, that is the best way to get it. I hope I was able to help you on how to become a true captain in Arcane Odyssey. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.